For top-notch door installation and door replacement services in West Jordan, UT, look no further. Our team of West Jordan door experts specializes in entry doors, patio doors, sliding doors, and French doors. Whether you need custom doors or energy-efficient doors, we have the perfect solution for your home. Our replacement doors. West Jordan include everything from door replacement to door customization, ensuring your doors are both functional and stylish. When it comes to entry door installation in West Jordan, our skilled professionals ensure a seamless fit and finish. We offer a wide range of door styles and door materials to match your home's aesthetic. Our exterior replacement doors, West Jordan, are designed to enhance curb appeal while providing superior security and energy efficiency. Trust us for all your door fitting and door upgrades in West Jordan, UT. Sliding replacement doors West Jordan is made easy with our expert team. We provide high-quality sliding doors that are both durable and stylish. Our patio door services in West Jordan include installation, repair, and maintenance, ensuring your outdoor spaces are accessible and inviting. Choose from a variety of door glass options to enhance the look and functionality of your doors. For those seeking French door installation in West Jordan, our team offers a range of elegant and functional options. French doors add a touch of sophistication to any home, and our West Jordan door services ensure they are installed with precision. We also offer storm door replacement in West Jordan, providing added protection against the elements while maintaining aesthetic appeal. Interior replacement doors. West Jordan are essential for maintaining the flow and style of your home. Our experts handle everything from door frames to door hinges, ensuring your interior doors operate smoothly. We offer a variety of door locks and door hardware in West Jordan to enhance security and functionality. Our door maintenance services in West Jordan keep your doors in top condition year-round. Custom doors in West Jordan are our specialty. We work with you to design doors that reflect your personal style and meet your specific needs. Our door customization services in West Jordan include a wide range of options, from door measurements to door materials. Whether you need a unique entry door or a custom interior door, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Energy-efficient replacement doors. West Jordan are a smart investment for any homeowner. Our selection of energy-efficient doors helps reduce energy costs while enhancing comfort. We offer a variety of styles and materials to suit your needs. Our door security services in West Jordan ensure your home is protected with the latest in door locks and security features.